The laws of logarithms. We have looked in a previous video at the 3 laws of logarithms. Now let us take a look at them again. We want to see how those laws are formulated. So let us say that we have the logarithm of x, and the base, let's use b for base. The log of x is equal to c, and also the log, same base, the log of y is equal to d. All right? Now let's write these from log form to index form. However, before we do that, it's a good thing to actually remember one example of the log and index form. Here, I'm going to use the fact that when you find the log of 1000, where the base is 10, the log of 1000 is 3. That's log form. In index form now, 10 raised to the power of 3 is 1000. Alright? Now, let's rewrite this, but in index form. Notice in log form, the 10 is the base. Up here, the 10 is the base in log form. It's also the base in index form. It's the number that you raise to the power. So b is the base in log form. It should be the base in index form, the number you raise to a power. So b will be raised to a power. Here, in log form, you said equal 3. The answer is 3. In index form, it is the power or the index that the 10 is raised to. So, whatever the answer is in log form, it's the index in index form. Now here, when you find the log of x, the answer is c. So it should be the index in index form. Alright? Equals. So you're following the same pattern. In log form, the number that you're finding the log of is 1000. In index form, it is the answer. It says equal 1000. In the same way, here, the number you're finding the log of is x. So in index form, it's the answer. You say equal x. So you have b raised to the power of c is equal to x. Over here now, you do the same thing. In log form, the base is 10. In index form, the base is 10. It's the number you're raising to the power. Here in log form, the base is b, so it's the number you're going to raise to the power when you write in index form. In log form, you say equal 3. The answer is 3. In index form, it is the index that you raise to. Here, you say equals d, so in index form, it's the power or the index that you raise to, that you raise b to. In log form, you're finding the log of 1000. In index form, you say equal 1000, the answer. In log form here, you're finding the log of y. In index form, it should be the answer. You say equal y. Alright, good. Now, let us multiply x by y. X, y equals. Now, what is that equal to? Notice x is b to the c. Y is b to the d. So, xy is therefore b to the c times b to the power of d. You see that? Now, recall, when we look at indices and we multiplied the two numbers, A number raised to one index times the same number raised to another index. Remember what you did? You raise the number to the, and you add the indices. So in this case, you have C plus D. All right? So therefore, what you really have here is xy is equal to b raised to the power of c plus d. All right. Let's rewrite this. Switch the sides and put b to the power of c plus d on the left equals xy on the right. Now, here, let's rewrite this now in log form. Now, this is in index form. I want to write it in log form. In index form, back up here with the log of 1,000 equal 3 when the base is 10 and 10 to the 3 is 1,000. Notice that in index form, you raise 10 to the 3. You are raising 10 to the power. In log form, it is the base. So you say log of b is what you're raising to the power in index form. So in log form, it is the base. It should be the base in both log and index form. Here, you're finding the log of 1,000. Let's look at the index form first, because we have this in index form and we want to write it in log form. In index form, you have 3 as the index, but in log form, it is the answer. You say equal 3. Here, the index is c plus d. In index form, in log form, you should have equal c plus d. Same pattern the following. Here, in index form, what you have here, when you say equals, you say 1,000. But in log form, that 1,000 is what you're logging. You're finding the log of 1,000. Let's look at the index form here. You say equals xy. So in log form, you're really finding the log of xy. All right, so you have that. You say the log of xy is equal to c plus d. But what was c and d again? C was log of x with the base b. So let's rewrite it. Write c as the log of x and the base is b. Just like it is up here. C is log x where the base is b. What was d? You say plus d. But what was d? D is log y and the base is b. So d is log of y and the base is b. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Oh, look at this. What this is saying is log xy is equal to log x plus log y. Let me rewrite that last part. Plus log y. That is indeed one of the laws of logarithm. Log of xy is equal to log x plus log y. We left out the b, but if you want to put it, let's put the b. But it is saying that the log of xy is log x plus log y. Alright, so there we have the first law of logarithms.